Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, November 3rd, 2024, we're going to analyze the Litecoin market, looking at the current events and the chart data to see what we can learn. First, let's take a look at the news and events that might be impacting the market. We see that Litecoin has recently surged in price, potentially due to news regarding a spot Litecoin ETF filing by Canary Capital, as well as Bitcoin reaching a multi-month high. Furthermore, Litecoin has gained increased adoption as a payment method with its integration into Sheetz convenience stores across the US. These developments suggest a growing interest and confidence in Litecoin, which could translate into positive price action in the future. However, we must always remain cautious and consider other factors that might influence the market. Now, let's turn our attention to the charts and see if they confirm the bullish sentiment suggested by the news. Let's start by examining the daily chart forecast. Overall, we see an upward trend in the price of Litecoin over the past few months. However, it's important to note that the price has been consolidating recently, with some volatility. We can identify potential support levels around the $65 mark and resistance levels around the $75 mark. The current price is hovering around the $70 mark, suggesting that a breakout above the $75 resistance level could be on the horizon. However, we must consider the recent consolidation and potential for a correction before jumping to conclusions. Zooming in on the 1-hour chart, we can see the price action in more detail. Here, we observe a series of bullish candlesticks that suggest a strong upward momentum. The price has been consistently pushing higher, and the volume has been increasing, indicating strong buying pressure. There are several instances of bullish engulfing patterns, which are considered to be bullish signals. However, the price is now testing the $70 resistance level, and we need to watch for signs of consolidation or a potential reversal. Let's take a closer look at the 15-minute chart to gain a better understanding of the recent price movement. Looking at the last few hours, we see a series of green candles, indicating a strong upward momentum. The price is now nearing the $70 resistance level, which has been tested several times in the past. If the price breaks above this resistance level, it could trigger a bullish breakout and potentially lead to further gains in the short term. However, if the price fails to break above the $70 resistance level, we could see a correction and a potential return to the $65 support level. It's crucial to observe the price action carefully and identify any key indicators that might signal a change in the trend. To sum it up, the news and events surrounding Litecoin suggest a bullish sentiment, with increased adoption and potential ETF developments. However, the chart data reveals that the price has been consolidating recently, with a potential resistance level around the $70 mark. A breakout above the $70 resistance level could trigger a bullish breakout, while a failure to break through could lead to a correction. It's essential to watch for key indicators such as volume, candle patterns, and price action around these critical price levels. In the short term, Litecoin could potentially reach the $75 resistance level if it breaks above the $70 mark. However, if the price fails to break through the $70 resistance level, it could retest the $65 support level. In the long term, Litecoin's future will depend on factors such as the adoption of cryptocurrencies, regulatory clarity, and the overall market conditions. Remember that the market is unpredictable, and any predictions are inherently uncertain. It's vital to conduct your own research and analysis before making any trading decisions.